Hi, this is Tony Javier, founder of an Inc. 5000 real estate investment company, and I want to bring to you another productivity training. I'm bringing you guys things here that allow me to work only a few hours a week on each one of my businesses and keep a balanced 20 to 40-hour week while I'm running many seven-figure businesses. These are the things that I've been working on perfecting for the last 20 plus years in business, so I hope you enjoy it. Looking for better ways to manage your email? Is email sucking you dry? Email is one of the biggest things that sucks time and energy out of your day. So how do you manage your emails? So I'm going to give you guys some tips and tricks here on how to better manage your emails so you can get more done. So first thing is, I like to keep less than 20 emails in my inbox. So what does this do? This actually provides mental clarity. If I go into my inbox and I have hundreds of emails, whether you think about it, that's going to hurt your subconscious. It's like having clutter. So having 20 or less emails in your inbox will help you think better and have more clarity. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to clear up your inbox. So next thing is you can time block 2 times a day to go into your emails. If you don't do this, you're going to be in your emails all day long. And guess what's going to happen? They're not going to stop. You're just going to continue to be in your emails and you're not going to be able to get your productive work done. So one thing that I love to do is to not go into my emails till at least 9 or 10 a.m. That way I can get my day started and get some things done before I start seeing all those emails come in. A couple times a day that I think are perfect for emails are 10 a.m. That gives you a couple hours in the morning to work on what you need to. 3 p.m. That gives you a little bit of time after you check your emails to get some work done. And if you only check your email those 2 times a day, the rest of your day are going to be way more productive. Hi guys, Tony here. I hope you like what you see so far. If you like what you see so far, hit the like button, subscribe. This will get this out to more people and notify you guys when I create more videos. I'm looking to create more millionaires and more success from people like you. So keep watching and share this with anybody you think could use it. So another thing is you can have your read emails down below and your unread emails up top. That way you can see what you've read and what you haven't read. Gmail has this option, and I would imagine that other email providers have this option as well. Another thing you can do is what I call one of the 5 Ds. The 5 Ds are do it, delegate it, delete it, dump it, or defer it. So let's go over each one of these real quick. Do it is do what you need to. Respond to it, go into your computer and get whatever it is that they need. You just do whatever it is you need to in that email. The second thing is delegate it. I love this one because I love forwarding emails to my team, subcontractors, and other people to get them to do whatever it is needs to be done. I do this a lot, and even if it takes a few minutes for me to do something, sending it to my assistant or sending it to someone on my team frees up a few extra minutes, and those add up over time. Delete it. If it's something you don't need, it's spam, it's something you will never use again, delete it and get it out of your inbox. Next is dump it, which is also known as archive it. Put it in a folder or just archive it so that you can search for it later. If it's something you don't need to look in the future, just get it out of your inbox. Dump it, archive it into nowhere, or archive it into a folder that you know you're going to check later. Next thing is defer. You used to have a software for this, but now Gmail and other service providers have a snooze button where you can hit the snooze, can have it come into your inbox later that day, later that week, later that month, or later that year. That way it reminds you that you can do it later. So do these things to manage your inbox, or else your inbox is going to manage you. So if you like this video, please subscribe, share it with someone, and let us know what you do to be productive in the comments.